Good morning, students of class 7, Rose and Jasmine. Today I am telling about page number 11 and 12 in our GK book. The topic is aquatic plants from page number 11 and power flower from page number 12, and the page number 13 endangered animals is your homework. Okay, so let's start. Okay students, let's start. Aquatic plants. What is the meaning of aquatic plants? Aquatic plants, also termed as hydrophytes or aquatic macrophytes, live within water environment. What is the meaning of hydrophytes? A plant which grows only in water. Hydro means water and hydrophytes mean a plant which grows only in water. Okay, in the ecosystem, aquatic plants serve as food and habitat for animals living in the sea and prevent shorelines. Shorelines means जो तट रेखा है ना, सी पॉन्ड इसकी, वो pond and lake from eroding by providing soil stability. Eroding means to destroy something very slowly. Eroding means to destroy something very slowly. Okay, start. Read the clues and the pictures and fill up the blanks. Number 1. This free-floating water plant grows commonly in stagnant water. Stagnant means dirty smell water. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitat by blocking sunlight. What is the answer? Answer is duckweed. D-U-C-K-W-E-D. Duckweed. D-U-C-K-W-E-D. Okay. Move to the next. Number 2. These giant sea plants are actually species of large brown algae found in the Pacific Ocean oceans in the southern oceans near South America, South Africa and Australia. They grow in dense stand. Dense means thick, known as the clay forest. Clay means Bangla jetake bole sheola, which are home to the many water animals. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is giant klep. G-I-A-N-T, giant klep. K-E-L-P, klep. Giant klep. Okay. Next, number 3. These floating plants have small flowers with 5 yellow or white petals. Some species of these plants are aquatic weeds. What is the answer? Is floating heart. F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, heart, H-E-A-R-T. This is the answer. Okay, picture, floating heart. Next, number 4. This free floating perennial, aquatic perennial means small flowering plants. Aquatic plants is native to tropical South America. It has feathery, freely hanging, purple black roots and beautiful purple and pink flowers. It was vigorously and can double in population in 2 weeks. What is the answer? The answer is water hyacinth. H-Y-S-C-I-N-T-H. hyacinth. দেখো এটা বাংলায় যেটুকুলোকে আমরা কচুরি পানা বলি, পুকুরে দেখা যায়, দ্যাটস ইট. নেক্সট মুভ টু দ্য নাম্বার 5. Its floating plant has huge spongy leaves without stems and roots hanging submerged beneath the floating leaves. It is found in nearly all tropical and subtropical freshwater bodies. The answer is water cabbage. W-A-T-E-R, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, water cabbage. Okay. And move to the next page. Okay students, let's start today's last chapter, flower power. Flower play an important part in many religion and cultural events. Flower power was the slogan of a group of people in the 1970s who wanted to promote peace and love in an effort to change the world. Read this fact about flowers. In the 17th century, Holland tulip bulbs are more valuable than gold. The flowers symbolized immortality, life, and love. The flower of bamboo are rarely seen. Some species of bamboo develop flowers after 65 or 120 years. The lotus was considered a sacred flower by ancient Egyptians and was used in burial rituals. Okay, nowadays we also celebrate Rose Day, and in the burial rituals we give some white flower like night queen, So this flower the symbol of immortality, life, love, whatever. Okay. Next, do you know about these plants are flowers? This purple, number one, this purple flower is dried and then used to scenting linen. सेंटिंग लिनन्स मीन्स जो लिनन जो कपड़ा है ना हम लोग साड़ी पहनते हैं वो फॉर सेंटिंग वी यूज द फ्लावर. इट इज ऑल्सो ए कलर. दिस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ कलर. what is the answer is lavender. You सेंटिंग इन जो धूपकाठी है उसमें देता है ना lavender, lavender, lavender. Number 2, this stands as a symbol of purity. This stand as a symbol of purity. The answer is lily, Lily. Okay. Next, number 3, this plant is the symbol of everlasting life. The answer is ivy, Ivy. Number 4, this attractive flower shares its name with a part of the eye. The name of the flower is related to eye. So the name of the flower is iris, Iris. Okay. Number 5, this stands for remembrance. Okay. This stands for remembrance. The answer is rosemary, Rosemary, rosemary. Number 6, for the Chinese, this is a symbol of peace and beauty. What is the name of flower? Is apple blossoms, APPLE, apple blossoms, BLOSSOM. Okay. Number 7, a Christmas decoration. This plant symbolizes joy and goodwill. The name of the plant is flower is holy, HOLLY. Okay. So spelling, read the spelling carefully. Okay. And your homework is page number 13, endangered animals. Okay. Take care and bye bye.